how to use Emergent AI to create a website. So in this video, I'll show you how you can use Emergent AI to create a website from scratch. Emergent AI, as you may know, is an AI-powered website builder that generates complete websites based on your text prompts, which is in like plain English. So whether you need a landing page or a portfolio or like a business website or even a simple web app, you can simply describe what you want and the AI will build it for you, and all in plain English, and there is no coding or nothing involved here. So I'll walk you through the process, like right from writing an effective prompt to reviewing and to generate the and refining and generating the final website. So let's get started. So to start off with, first go to Emergent AI. So open up any browser of your choice and then just search for Emergent AI. You'll get to the official website here. So once you get to your official website here, which is app.emergent.sh, so that's the official website. So first thing what you need to do is you need to create an account. So you can either log in using your GitHub account or your Apple account or Facebook or even with your Google credentials. So you simply log in with that. And once you're done with that, let me just log into my account. Once you've logged into Emergent AI, you will get into this screen here. This is your home page. So you'll be presented with the prompt box here, this one, where you describe the website that you want to build. Okay, so on your top right there you will see your profile. So if you click on your profile on your top right here, you will see all your profile settings and everything. And these Emergent AI works as in a credit system, so you need to have credit points in order to make use of it. So initially you will be rewarded with the 10 credit points, so you can use that to test it. But other than that, if you want to explore it more and if you want to use it more often, then or if you have more functions to do with it, then you need to add on your credits. So if you click on this credit option here, you need to buy more credits. So if you want to pay for it and buy it, and then once you have more credits, then you will be able to use it more often and you can utilize more of its functions if you are going to if you want to start explore it. So you need credits for that. So other than that, so here, once you have all those things, now first what we're going to do is we're going to like create a prompt. So here in the prompt box here, now describe your website. So what a website you want to do. So the key is to be as specific as possible. So instead of saying like make me a website, include details about the purpose, layout, even colors, features, and also the audience. So give as much as information as possible, so that will give you a much personalized and better output for you. So for example here, let me type in a sample prompt here. So for example here, choose the web app. So I'm going to create a website. So on a web app, and this is my prompt here. So create a modern landing page for a digital marketing agency called Boost Today. I just made it up. And use a blue color and white color scheme with orange call to action buttons. Include a hero section with a headline, a service section featuring SEO, social media marketing and web design, client testimonials, pricing plans, a contact form, and a responsive navigation bar. The design should be clean, professional, mobile friendly, and optimized for conversation. So this is a sample one that I have done, but you can be more specific, or if you have something that you are particular about, for example for a specific goal or specific audience, mention that. So mention as much as possible how much information you can give. That will be the better. Okay, just do that. Once you have that, and you can also add in specific, like if you click on this plus option here, you can upload any specific file or anything. So if you want to include that, you can just do that. And you have like advanced settings here, which if you're a beginner you can just ignore that, and then you can just leave that. And here you can also give voice prompts. So you can start, if you want to give a voice recording, you can include the voice recording here. And once you're done with your prompt, all you have to do is click on this generate option here. So click on the little arrow. This will now generate the AI will now generate the website for you. So Emergent AI will has now like started building my website, so including all the layout, styling, contents, all based on the instructions or the prompt that I've given. So it's now doing it. All we have to do is simply, it might take a few minutes, because depending on how difficult or complex your website is, the time varies. But you just have to wait for it, and you can see the process it's going through from the screen here. So it's every process is being mentioned here, so you can just have a read if you want to, what's going at the moment, what it's doing, and all those things. So it's being done. So just wait for it and just wait for the final output where you'll be able to see a preview of your website. So to just give it a bit of time, and then you would till you get it till it's done. Alright, as you can see now, my website is almost ready. So this is a preview of the website, and sometimes the AI agent will ask you questions. If they have if they need more details, they will ask you about a question. So they will ask you a question which you can answer, so that they can like personalize it for you. Okay, so like for example here, they are asking the backend implementation, how they want it to be. So you can type your answer here, or you can also auto answer if you want the AI to decide based on you. So I will just put auto answer. So sometimes, like depending on your prompt and your website, they will ask you, the AI agent will ask you questions. You can simply answer these. So that will help the AI agent to create a much better version for your website. Okay. So as you can see now, the website is almost done, and you will see all the process here on your left side panel here, all the process that's being done. And then as I can see here, once the website is fully done, so this is my preview. As I can say, that's my company boost today, and all the sections are here and everything. If you scroll down, now you can see the page and everything. So now if you'd like to make changes, what you can do is you can simply ask the AI using natural language. So for example, let's say here in the message box here, just say like change the color palette to green and white, or you can say add an FAQ session before the contact form. So something you want to do, you can simply do that. Like there is no coding, nothing required. You can simply talk to the agent or type to the agent, and they will do the changes for you. So you don't like edit it. So one of the biggest advantages of Emergent AI is that you don't have to edit the code. You simply describe the changes you want, and the AI updates the website for you. So you can simply continue like refining or making changes to your design until you're happy with the final result. And here you have the preview section here, so you can just preview it, and you have the manage section here. If you want to manage something, you can create here, like for example, like integrating with other apps and all those things, you can do that here. And this is you can open these in a new tab to view preview, like on a new window, you can do that. And here you have the edit section. So if you want to like access to the code and everything, you can hit on the edit to visually like edit these website here, to visually make changes to the website, and also access to the code, which you might maybe later give it to your app developer or something if you need access to the code. But for this option, I need credits, so I don't have sufficient credits, so that's why it's grayed out. But I need to buy more credits in order to edit it. So that's why, as I mentioned earlier, you need more credits as you want to explore more or do more with this agent. So you might need credit for that. And also you have the share option here. You can share it with someone. So if you want to, you can click on the share option to share a preview with anyone. They will give you a link here. You can just copy it or share it on your social media. You can do that too here. And also, once you're done with the final website and you're happy with the final website here, what you can do is hit on the deploy option here. So click on the deploy option, which means your website will go live and people will be able to access your website. So that's the deploy section here. So once you're happy with it, you can simply click on the deploy option. And that's how easy it is to create a website using Emergent AI. You just write a detailed prompt and make improvements or changes using simple language, then you can build a professional looking website in a fraction of a time compared to the traditional web development. And basically that's pretty much it is.